I made a kazoo. And to make a kazoo, you will need a toilet paper roll without the toilet paper on it. I used a hole punch to make a little hole in there. You could probably do it with some scissors, but hole punch is safe. Tinfoil for the top. You can also use wax paper. Try with some different types of paper, and you might get a different sound. And then I decorated mine. I used some colors. I made an ABC pattern. Blue, purple, pink. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. You can decorate yours however you want. So to start, take your roll and decorate it. Keep in mind that you are going to cover part of the top and you are going to be punching a hole in the bottom. Boom, it's decorated. Now you might want to put some paper over top to decorate it. That will really help your colors to pop if you're using markers. You can also use stickers or wrap some wrapping paper around it. Once your kazoo is decorated, take your hole punch. My hole punch goes about up to here, so that is as far as I'm going to hole punch it. Squeeze it together. Now I need a square here of foil, tin foil. I know this doesn't look like a square, but it was a square at one point. To make sure I have enough tin foil for my kazoo, I'm going to put it near the corner, put about 1 or 2 fingers around, and then I'm just going to draw a square. I will use a marker to draw my square and then cut it out. You could also just cut out your square and eyeball it, but I find this is a little bit easier. I can also put my finger down, put a little mark at the end. Boop. Do the same thing on the other side, put my finger down, put a little mark, boop, and connect the lines to make the square. As long as you have a square that will fit over your toilet paper roll, it doesn't matter how you get there. Cut that out. Okay, so I have a square and I have do you remember what you call this 3D shape? A cylinder. Now, how tight you put your tinfoil will change the sound. So I'm going to put my tinfoil over top, pull it tight, and then I'm going to, see, look, it'll stay once I pull it down. And just to make sure it's really, really stays in place and doesn't go anywhere, I'm going to take an elastic, loop it once over top. Maybe I should have used 2 fingers instead of 1. Doesn't look like my tinfoil wants to stay on there. And loop it over top. Okay, so put this over top. I loop the band around twice. I made this just a little bit longer, so use 2 or 3 fingers if you're measuring with your fingers. Just make sure you get a nice square to go around here, and it can fold down. Even if it's not exactly a square shape, it will still work as long as this is tight on top and this folds down. Different sounds that you hum. Da da da. Will make different sounds with your kazoo. No. Some pitches will make it vibrate more, some pitches will make it vibrate less. If you cover the hole, it will sound different too. So have fun experimenting.